everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how to make a Black Forest cake. For those who don't know me, my name is May Wangerter and I am Filipina, based in Switzerland. First, I will cut this biscuit cake, or you call it a sponge cake. This biscuit cake, I already baked it yesterday, and reason why I baked it already yesterday because I don't have to wait for so long. So now I will cut the cake in 3 pieces. You can use a bread knife or you can use this cake cutting thing. And if you don't have this thing at home, it's also okay. There's no problem. You can cut your cake with a bread knife into 3. So now I will cut the cake into 3 pieces. So after cutting, I will put this aside. After cutting the cake, we will make the whipped cream, and I will use the kitchen machine to make the whipped cream, or you can also use a hand mixer for that. So we're done with the whipped cream. So I will put 1 piece of the cake what I cut before, and I will use a steel plate. You can also use a paper plate, which is like, there is some colors, there's some silver, there's some gold, but this one, it's washable. And what I will do is I will use the cherry water what's inside the dose of this cherry, and I will use the water also, and I will put the powdered sugar together with the cherry water. So we'll just mix it. Why we use this cherry water? Because we want the cake to be fluffy and soft, so at least there is no waste. And bakit gumamit ako ng powdered sugar? Para matunaw siya kaagad. So gagamitin natin yung cherry water na nanggaling dun sa lata yung cherries natin. And so ang gagawin ko, ilalagay ko yung, gagamit ako nitong brush. So iba-brush ko lang yung water. Then I will also actually use the same ring nung ibinake ko yung cake. Then I will put some whipped cream. maglalagay tayo ng cherries. Ilalagay na natin yung another cake. So, i-press nyo lang siya. Lalagay ulit tayo ng whipped cream. The rest of the cherries. To put the last pieces of the bread what we cut before. And then press it again. Later, pag natapos nyo na siyang i-flat, lagay nyo muna yung cake sa fridge. Could be nice para mag-set siya. So after 1 hour, we will finish the cake or we will do the last step. So after an hour, we can now remove our cake from the ring, and I use this spatula. Or you can also use knife. Okay lang. And I use it, the spatula, kasi ginamit ko na siya kanina. Piping bag and plus the star nozzle, and we will put the rest of the whipped cream inside here, and then we will decorate the cake. So we're already done with our Black Forest cake, and I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoy it. Don't worry, I will put the link down below how I made the biscuit. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you get a notification when I post a new video. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye!